Picture this. You enter a FaceTime call and you can make yourself look like this, or this within seconds. Today, I will be teaching you guys how to add video filters to your FaceTime calls. Okay, not going to lie, there is not a lot of things you can do on FaceTime in terms of customization for video filters and beautifying effects. So for example, if you're on Mac, this is how it's going to look. There are three options essentially. So you can do portrait, studio light, and reactions. As you can see, it's rather limited in terms of what options you can do to spruce up your FaceTime calls. Even on the iPhone, FaceTime is rather limited. You can play with emojis or memojis. You can add some filters, but there isn't a lot of customization that you can do. Hope is not lost because I will be showing you guys an app which you can use to customize your FaceTime calls. So the app is called Filteronme, and here you can create any video filter for video calls and streams. It works for both Mac and Windows devices. Plus, aside from FaceTime, it works on many different apps, including Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Twitch, Discord, Slack, Streamlabs, and many more. Once you download the app, it's going to look like this. As you can see here, there are multiple different sections you can customize and play around with to create the perfect video filter for you. I find that this app is easy to use and it's super beginner friendly. So currently I have the video filters off, but let me show you the magic of Filteronme. I'm going to quickly show you how it looks like turned on. Once you configure your settings, you can look like this within a second. Let me walk you through what you can customize. So for example, here at the base tab, you could just think of your actual makeup base complexion products like foundation, highlighter, contour, and blush. Special added features are, of course, teeth whitening, soft light, and skin smoothing. What I love about Filteronme is you can really customize everything on your face. One of my favorites is actually soft light. This, you can really brighten up your face in the video. I think it makes a noticeable difference. That's why I love using soft light. There are different styles of blush you can play around with so that it works for your face shape. There really is no bounds with Filteronme in terms of customization because you can really select the color that you'd like. There are no pre-selected shades. You can choose any shade that you like. So for example, if I want this red, I can do that. If I want it green, if I want it orange, I can do that. Here at the base tab alone, there's so many different things to customize, but we are just getting started, so let's go through the next ones. If you want to play around with how your face looks, you can do it here at the shape tab. If you want your forehead to be longer or shorter, you can do that. With your chin, same thing. If you want a longer chin, you can do that. Or if you want it shorter, you can also do that. Possibilities are endless because you can make it as subtle or as drastic as you like. Same thing with the eye tab. You can change the position of your eyes. You can make them bigger. You can make them more round. The choice is really up to you on how you want to customize your face, which I love. If you want to make it really subtle or if you want to make it really drastic, you have that option with Filteronme. This app is essentially like Facetune, but for videos. One of my favorite tabs in this app is actually the eye makeup tab because I think some of the options here are so unique to Filteronme and I don't see a lot of apps doing it. So for example, the eyelashes, you can make your lashes darker for more definition around your eyes. Or again, with the eyeshadow, you can really customize the color. So for example, you want it orange or you want it pink or green. You can use Filteronme as a virtual filter to test out makeup shades. Aside from eye makeup, you can also experiment with your eyebrows. So you can add more arch to them. You can change the height. I think this is a great way to experiment with different brow styles before you commit to one, before you wax or tweeze your eyebrows. You can use Filteronme to see if a certain brow shape works well on your face. If you want to test different lip shapes and lip sizes, you can do that here. So if you want it thicker or bigger, no need to go under the knife just yet. You can experiment with that here on Filteronme first. Plus, you can experiment with the different finishes of your lipstick. Matte, there's shiny, and there's glitter. I don't see a lot of apps doing that, which I think is kind of cool that Filteronme has it. What I truly love about Filteronme is the attention to detail. So a lot of apps will stop at just the lipstick, but no, Filteronme has lip liners. So as you can see, if you want to do like an ombre lip on Filteronme, you can do that. So you can give yourself a virtual rhinoplasty here on Filteronme, and you can see that there are a lot of customization options just for your nose alone. You can play with the width, the length, the nose tip width, and it's super easy to reverse. So you can just quickly refresh it if you don't like it, and you can try again and customize it to how you would like it to be. If you're wondering if Filteronme is just for beauty filters, no, it is not. There are actually some fun filters here you can play around with. So let me show you a few of them. We have Alien Worm, Beauty Glasses, Dancing Broccoli. So there really is a range of different filters you can play around with, from beauty to fun. Now, with all the customizations you can do here on Filteronme, I bet you're wondering if you can save them as presets. The answer is yes. You can save your filter creations as presets, which you can use later on. So again, I have a few here that I created previously. Depending on my mood, at least I have these different options that I can play around with. You can really create a preset meant for you and save it for later, and you can make multiple different presets which you can use for different occasions. Now, once you create the perfect video filter, applying it onto your FaceTime is so easy. You just have to click the video button right here and change it from the FaceTime HD camera to the Filteronme camera. And once you click that, your preset is already applied. Filteronme is going to apply the last preset that you selected or your last settings that you applied on Filteronme. And if you're interested to try it out or you want to learn a little bit more about Filteronme, you can visit our website at filteronme.com for more information. If you have other questions about Filteronme, feel free to leave them down below in the comments.